everyone, Dog Catfish 442C here, and today I am with my sister again. Waffles 1.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Okay, so what should we do today?
I think we should go to the park.
There's no park on Animal Jam though.
I don't mean like in today.
No, I mean on Animal Jam.
I don't mean today.
Okay, so today we should get a new pet. How about that?
Yeah,
let's get a new pet.
Okay, so what pet should we get?
I forgot how to do that cool thing. Oh, hold on. Oh, they've changed it. It used to be where they were all gathered around. I had a pet lion, and I had a panda and a pig. No. I should get a pet lion. Can defend me.
Lions?
Yeah, it can defend me. So it can be a brown lion with a yellow.
No, pink one. Pink and purple because you got pink and purple room.
Yeah, but my animal. Wait, what colour is my animal? It's like brown and brown. I'll just make it brown and
brown like that. Oh.
That looks cool.
Yeah. I thought you were doing pink and purple because your room was pink and purple.
It can be a girl. Its hair can. It's gonna have no hair. Pattern. Oh, that's cute. Nose. So we're gonna start off by getting a little pet. Blue-Ro. Called Blue-Ro.
Okay.
400 gems. Oh, look at him, he's so little cutie. Okay,
I like the smell that I have.
My sister's playing Minecraft again. I'm gonna change my animal to this one. So I did an earlier video today, called Animal Jam Fun or something, and we just went for a swim, so I decided to do another one because I'm really bored. And also, we might decorate my other den. That's a good idea.
She's got 2 dens.
I've only got 2. Some people have like 18.
Whoa, that's a lot of dens.
Take it wrong blue. I only have 5 gems, so I won't be buying anything. Okay. It's just the small house. I'm too broke to buy anything. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to wipe it. Bye. Okay, so I'm just going to use these because they're the only wallpaper I have, and carpet. That kind of looks cool. Got itchy nose. Okay. So we could put some trees out here like so. That looks cool. That's alright. I could put a bed here. Here. And then I could get my polar bear plushie. My polar bear plushie.
It's a polar bear plushie.
Do. And then blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then this can go here. Oh, I want the book to be on my bed. I'll just put what I thought I should put there. So today I haven't really done that much stuff. I stayed at my friend's house last night, came home, had lunch, played Animal Jam, sister came over, and then I played with my sister, and then I made the video, and then went for a swim, and then now I'm making this video. I think that looks like a cool bedroom. No. Oh no. And then we could put this here. And these could lean on the end of my bed. That looks cool! Look at my roller skates. They're laying at the end of my bed. Are they called roller? Oh, hockey skates. Oh! So they go with this. Oh! So these go with this. Interesting. Okay, so let's finish this thing. I don't have a little mat to put in there. Mat! Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so, Kayla, what should I do after this?
I don't know.
Does this look alright? No, I should put this here. Well, I could put, oh. We need a table and some chairs to eat on, maybe. That might just help. Might be one big giant mankind step. And after this, I think we're gonna walk down to the dairy. Maybe. Maybe. But by the time I upload this, we'll probably be back from the dairy. Because we're gonna ask if we can get an ice cream. Because it is so hot today. Like, seriously, it's
so hot.
Jeez, that's annoying. So, if you guys heard that, my sister just farted. And if you didn't, then I didn't just say anything. Can we put the... There we go. What I used to do is I used to get these little stools and then get a fishbowl and put it on, and it would look like a stand under the fishbowl. Eat chocolate for dinner. I would laugh if somebody... Oh, I don't even have my sound on, guys. As I was saying, I would laugh if... Oh, Jesus. I would laugh if somebody, like, came to my den and was talking to me here and I couldn't see them because I was doing my den. And they left because they got angry at me. That would be funny. Okay, so this thing goes here. And then we can put this here. No. No. There's nothing else really to... Okay. Well, I think that's all I'm gonna do for this den. So here's the fish pond. Trees. This is the table. Oh, I can't even get in there. Get in. Here the chairs and bedroom. I like it. It's cool. That's right. But I like my gingerbread one better. Maybe get some different music. Wait, I do have enough. Oh, what did I buy? I just had a ton of... Oh, I bought a pet. Oh. I don't want to wait. How much does that sell for? Oh my god. Okay. That's all. Okay. Anyway, that's all I really wanted to do my video about. So, is there anything else I should do?
No, I don't know.
I have 5 minutes.
I know.
What?
Go, like, go to the beach on my car. And play some games or something.
Mm. So I'm gonna go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. They say I want to go to the beach. I'm at the beach. Let's get into our beach costume. I don't know what our beach costume should be. Let's think. These are. I reckon that looks right for a beach costume. Do you think so?
Yeah. I thought you might put on something that looks like the waves and put them in blue.
It is in blue. Is that person talking to me? Anyway. Oh! Have I got that thingy? Oh! What is that? Is that part of the thing? Have I already gotten it? Have I already gotten it? Ah, I already got it. Done like all of these. Oh, we should find this. We'll do that next episode, maybe. Anyway, come on, little pet. Oh, shall we give you a little washy wash? No. Doesn't look very happy. Oh, we should have given her a wash after. Yeah, we'll have this color. We're gonna do it gently. Be gentle with my pet. So, I'm just gonna turn my fan on. Sorry if you can hear it. We'll use a blue towel. Yeah, that sounds like a plane. Never mind. Okay. Yay! Okay, let's go on the slide now. It's just after you clean yourself, let's go on the slide. Whee! I hate how it stops halfway. Come on. Come on the slide. Anyone ever seen this fast? I'll just go through it. Some hidden secrets through here. Okay, first thing, there's these little ones. And this. Is that lava? There used to be a deal to me. Okay, I'm gonna go back down here. What is this? Someone's back up. Polar bear cubs stay with their mothers until they're about 2.5 years old. 2.5 years old. Hey, let's get some. Come on! Push the wrong thing. I was meant to go into here. 4 hairs. Why do you need 4? Hi, Kitty.
She's got a cat.
Yes, well, it's my mum's cat. She found it.
Its name's Sky.
Yeah, its name is Sky, S-K-Y-E. Anyway guys, I'm going to go now with me and my dancing pet and my nice strawberry smoothie. I hope you enjoyed this episode and I'll see you all next time. Bye!